It means, pag mahal mo siya, mahal mo siya. So kung may gusto kang ibigay sa kanyang tulong, ibibigay mo pero hindi ka hihingi ng bayad. Pag gusto mo siyang patawarin, papatawarin mo siya at hindi ka hihingi ng kapalit na bahay at lupa. Pag gusto mong magpakita ng concern at ng care sa kanya, pag nakita mong malungkot siya, hindi mo hihintayin na i-comfort ka rin niya sa mga pagkakataong ikaw naman ang malungkot. Why? Because ipinakita mo yun willingly out of love. Amen. Amen. But can we really stand that? Can we really stand showing love without getting any love in return? You see, I hope it's getting clear to you now that when we say it's one-sided love, it's painful. But it doesn't mean that if you are the only person who's loving someone, you are wrong. No, you're not. You are doing a good thing. You are doing the right thing. You are loving without forcing anyone to give anything in return. And if you find it hard, I want you to focus your eyes on Jesus. I want you to focus your eyes with your God. Kasi siya, hanggang ngayon, nagmamahal siya. The truth is, it all happened like 2,000 years ago when God gave His Son Jesus for us. For every one of us. Where in fact, we know that there are some who would accept and respond to that love, and there are some who will not care at all. Look at this verse. In Romans 5 verse 8, but God demonstrates His own love for us in this: while we were still sinners, Christ died for us. Church, did you get this verse? May nagpakita na ng pagmamahal kahit na makasalanan ka. Kahit na wala kang pakialam sa kanya. Kahit na wala kang ibinabalik na pagmamahal sa kanya. If there's a master in continuing to show love without getting love in return, then that is God. And that is the reason why people keep on living, people keep on breathing. It's because of the love of God. And if you find it painful to continue loving without getting love in return, I hope today you would appreciate the love of God to you.